Hello guys and welcome to another UK Card Club card review video. Today we're going to be looking at the Breaking Bad deck from Albino Dragon. The problem I have is that I'm reluctant to open the green one as I only have one of it. Also, I don't really know a huge amount about them. So I just want to show this tuck case here before I cast these aside. There's sort of like green smoke and some chemical equations in the background there. Magic finish, made in USA, Breaking Bad. United States Playing Card Company, 2014. Artwork by Albino Dragon, poker-sized Albino Dragon. Now I'm going to cast these aside. We'll get back to reviewing these. So I'm going to keep one sealed, crack one open. Big fan of Breaking Bad. Now don't hate me for this, but I was quite late to Breaking Bad. Now I didn't watch the Breaking Bad series until about 2014 when these cards were released. So I wasn't sort of intrigued to buy them, but didn't really have an idea about the show until about the same time these came out. So further on down the line, I'm a massive fan of Breaking Bad. I thought, do you know what? I'm going to get them. So looking at tuck case, very much the same as the green, but it's sort of like crystally shards, blue meth and all that. So for you, those of you that have seen Breaking Bad, you'll understand what this sort of icy, crystally, shardy type stuff is in relation to the blue meth. Those of you that haven't seen it, get out there and see it. It is incredible. Absolutely amazing series. For those of you under 18 or without parental consent, just pretend this is a Frozen deck. And by Frozen, I mean the Disney film. There was no seal, which is absolutely fabulous for me because I'm absolutely terrible at ensuring that these are carefully opened. Got the Albino Dragon logo in the inside, and we'll get into the deck. Here we have a photo card. It's got Gus Fring, Hank. Can't remember that dude's name. It's been a while since I've seen it. That's pretty cool. The Albino Dragon logo. Got Jesse Pinkman and Walter White there. Very cool. So next we have the Joker. Now, I can't remember this dude's name either, but he was the weird stoner dude that was friends with Jesse that was spinning the signs. And this is Jesse's other mad junkie friend. Ace of Spades. Where else would you put him? There he is, Heisenberg himself. You all know exactly who I am. Say my name. Awesome. Loving the sort of chemistry symbols behind him there. Going into the rest of the deck. Custom pips, custom indices. Still that chemical symbol all around the outside there. I like these pips. They're almost glassy. They've got like a shattered meth, shattered crystal sort of effect to them. The indices have got like a slightly blue hue to them. They're not exactly the same colour. This is sort of like flat black with a blue sort of tinge to it. These are very much like a bluey shattered crystal over the top of black. I like the arrangement of these as well, like a very central, very interesting layout. So we've got Walt Jr., Skylar, Walter. Going into the reds. Diamonds here are very much like an icy sky blue. Looks almost like a diamond, not as in the shape diamond, as in diamond, the element. Again, like I said with the blacks, it's very much blue with a shaded tinge, whereas this has got that sort of shattered effect in the middle. Keeping the same around the outside of the faces. Mike, Lydia, Gus, Jesse, Ginny. That was his girlfriend, isn't it? Saul Goodman. Got Hank, Marie, Stephen Gomez. Yeah, Breaking Bad with the symbols like the TV show had from the periodic table, and that shattered glass, shattered meth effect there. Very, very cool. Handling is a United States Playing Card Company produced deck, so the handling is phenomenal. The colours are just fantastic. I hate to say it, but this is kind of the sort of ice effect I expected from the Bicycle Ice deck that I reviewed a few reviews ago. This would have been nicer than the sort of tribally look that they had. It's a lot easier to see this on the camera, but that is not a light glare. It's like a white fog around each of these, which if you look at it from like that angle, you can see it sort of helps that pop because that's white and it's a very light coloured blue. It would have been nice to have maybe seen a bit of Walter there. Just his face or reflected, or you know. I really want to open the green deck, but I also only have one of it, so I might have a look, scour the internet, see if I can find another, and then I won't mind opening it. But yeah, no, I really like it. Be cool if they released like a yellow one, green, blue and yellow, as yellow was incorporated a lot into the show. As you can see, he's wearing a yellow jacket there. They had yellow hazmat suits. Hey, it'd just be quite cool. But yeah, I'm a real big fan. I think Albino Dragon have done a massively good job on this. I'm intrigued to get a few more of their decks, because I've only really got the Princess Bride deck, so it's quite good. But thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you next time when we'll be reviewing something else. Take care.